Hi, this is Dan Cuscarella here at 2019 NAB Las Vegas. I'm here with our distribution partner, TechNet Distributing. I'm from Camplex Fiber Optics. This year we brought a wide variety of wares for you to check out. We have our audio over fiber extenders. That's 96K over single channel fiber, 2-channel, 4-channel, and a lot of variations available. We have 12G SDI over single fiber, HDMI SFP extenders over fiber. We have, of course, your SDI, DVI, HDMI dongle fiber extenders for short distance. Something exciting for us this year, we were just presented with the opticalCON Assembler of the Year by Neutrik, a very coveted award. We do LEMO certified cables in stock. We do breakout adapters. We have a slew of new cleaning supplies. And of course, our newest item is the TAC-ALL. That's 12 channels of tactical mil-tac cable. 6 of them are single mode, 4 OM3, and 2 OM1 in a single jacket. Never be left on site not knowing what to use. You have the TAC-ALL here from Camplex. You can check it all out at camplex.com. And thanks for stopping by NAB 2019 here in TechNet Distributing.